In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet won't charge all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is simply restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. Sometimes temporary glitches with the operating system can cause your phone to stop charging. So simply press and hold the power and the volume down button and then tap on this restart button to reboot your phone. If that doesn't work, your next step is to check the charger itself. So make sure you are using a charging adapter that's working properly. If possible, you can try testing it with another phone and see if it works. Similarly, you should also check the cable. Make sure the cable is not damaged in any way. Another thing you can do is check the USB port on your Samsung phone. So a lot of times dirt and dust or pocket lint can get inside this port and prevent the charging cable from going all the way in. This is the single most common reason why your Samsung Galaxy phone may not charge. If you have a flashlight, simply point it towards your phone's charging port and you should be able to see the dust particles inside it. All you have to do is grab a toothbrush or something similar and then clean the charging port. Make sure to clean it gently and avoid using any metal objects as it can damage the port. Another way to verify if the charging port is the problem is to simply use a wireless charger if available. If nothing else works, however, you can try booting your Samsung Galaxy phone into safe mode. So simply long press on this power off icon and then tap on safe mode. If your phone charges as expected while in safe mode, it's likely that one of your apps is causing the problems. In that case, you will need to simply uninstall any recently installed apps or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy phone to fix the problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.